Hey guys, welcome to Balance Fitness Studio, and I'm going to continue these tutorials to give you an idea of what we offer here at the studio. And today we're going to look at some suspension training. So here are our suspension straps that we have. There are a few companies out there that make these straps. These are actually just a version, my version that I put together here. As you can see, we hang them from the Smith machine, and they have the handles here at the bottom. These are designed to use your own body weight to do a variety of exercises. I'm going to take you through a few of these exercises, give you an idea of how to use this piece of equipment here at the studio. Okay, so we have the suspension straps here. To get started, we're going to start with some chest, we're going to go to some back, then we'll hit the arms, kind of get a full upper body workout, and I'll show you some exercises for the body parts, but also show you how quickly you can make the progressions between the exercises. Okay, so it's one of the benefits of this way of training is you can jump pretty quickly from presses to pulls with just a twist of your body. So I'll show you that in just a second. We'll start off with the presses here. The thing about these suspension straps is it adjusts real quickly, like I said. So if you want to make it lighter, you step forward. If you want to make it heavier, you just take a step backward. Like I said, you're using your own body weight, and so the more body weight you have that you're holding up, the harder it's going to be, obviously. So starting out with the chest press, you're just going to grab the handles firmly, keeping your arms extended all the way, and then you're just going to lower your body, keeping your hands in really tight, and bringing your hands towards your shoulders. And then you're just going to push your body away from it, just like a push-up. So you're going to lower your body, push away, and you can even squeeze these towards the center as well. So bring it down, push away. If you want to make that a little bit harder, just take a step back. You're going to push more of your body weight. It's a little bit more difficult. If you want to make it a little bit easier, take a step forward. Now you can always start out a little bit heavier, and then if you fatigue, if you get about 5 or 6 reps into it and you can't push yourself up, just take a step forward. Pretty simple transition. Okay, so you're going to get, say, 12 to 15 reps, whatever rep range you're looking for there, and then watch this. You're just going to switch over. Ready for your back. I'll come here so you can kind of see what I'm doing. I'm just going to extend my arms straight. Make sure you grab those handles firmly. Arms are straight. And to make this one more difficult, you step into it. To make it easier, you step back. Okay? So your feet are out there in front of you a little bit, and you're going to pull your elbows back. You don't want to raise too high up here and use more arms. So you want to think about squeezing your shoulder blades and pulling your elbows back to really engage that back muscle. All right. So you got your chest and back. You can work both of those back to back right there. And then you can flip right around for a little tricep. Hit the back of your arm. You keep your arms extended. And now this one you're working a smaller muscle, so you don't want to start off with too much weight. You don't want to start off too far back here. Go ahead and start up pretty close to standing up straight. And elbows out in front of you and together. You don't want them flaring out like that. Keep them together. Lower your body, bring your hands towards your head, and then push yourself away. Lower your body, push yourself away. A little tricep extension here. Just like that. All right, now we're just going to flip right around to hit the biceps. Flip around. You're going to lean back, pulling your hands towards your shoulders, and then extending your arms all the way to get that full range of motion. Working the biceps. Okay, so with those 4 exercises, you can hit your entire upper body, the major muscle groups anyway, your chest, your back, your biceps, your triceps. In doing so as well, you're also going to engage your core because you've got to stabilize yourself. And to do a little recap here, we got the chest press. Flip it over. We got the pull up, back, tricep extension, flip it, and you got your bicep curl. Now if you need to, you can always take a rest in between that, in between the exercises, but if you do want to go quickly, then you have that capability. You don't have to switch out weights or grab different dumbbells. You can just use your own body weight, flip back and forth, and you're ready to go. So, great quick way to use your own body weight. Pretty safe. You can see once you're done, you can just drop them. So it's one of the benefits as well. That's your upper body. I'll give you a little lower body rundown. Okay, so start out with the lower body. Going to grab it the same way you did for your upper body. The same position as when you're doing your pulls. So grab them firmly, extend your arms out, drop your body back, and you have your feet out in front of you a lot. Okay, just like this. Okay, so then you're going for a squat here. Now you see one of the benefits of this is you're shifting your weight back towards your heels, so it's not going to be straight up and down, where you're going to have some weight on these knees. Okay, you can help shift back, engage the glutes, push through the hamstrings. You're going to push like you're pushing your heels into the ground. Okay, so lean back. If you've ever water skied, it's kind of the same way as water skiing. Lean back, and you're going to push up. Push up. It almost feels like you're pushing away from the Smith machine here, where it's anchored. So you're lowering down, pushing away. You want to try to avoid pulling yourself up. Now you can if you need a little assistance. That's one of the benefits of this, is if you need a little assistance to help you get up, you can use your arms. So if you squat down, you need some help, you can use your arms to help you get back up. But if you want to just really focus on the legs, come down, keep your arms straight, and just use your legs. Okay, I'll give you a couple more exercises for your lower body. Another one is going to be your reverse lunge. Now for this one, I like to start out a little bit closer. So my arms are bent here. I'm going to start out a little bit closer because I'm going to step away from it and back. Okay, I'm going to step away from it and back. When I step back, I want to have my front leg here at a 90-degree angle. You never want to do a lunge with your knee overextending your foot like that. You want to step back and straight down. Coming down as deep as you can. Great way to hit your glutes and your hamstrings. And these just give you a little extra assistance, okay? So you can start out here close, step back. You can alternate them or you can do them one at a time. It really just gives you a little extra assistance on that. Now, this is one of my favorites. It is a more advanced squat because it's a one-legged squat. Okay? So what we're going to do is get in the same position we were originally with the squat, the basic squat, and we're going to put one leg out in front this time. Okay? I'm also, you can see, starting with my arms bent a little bit because I'm going to use my arms to help me up a little bit. Okay? So I'm right here. I'm going to squat down, keeping this left leg up and off of the ground, and then pushing up with just one leg. So obviously a little bit more difficult. You want to make sure that your form is good because it can put some pressure on the knee because you're going nice and deep here. You're going down nice and deep. Same thing as that original squat though. You're pushing with the heel, driving with the heel, and you can almost push yourself away from the Smith machine. But if you're using your hands, you're going to help pull yourself up a little bit. So I'm going to extend my arms a little bit as I come down, help pull myself up as I rise there. Then you can alternate those or just do your full reps with one leg and then switch to the other. Great way to get the entire leg worked with just your body weight. So have fun.